If you're serious about growing on YouTube, what you do after hitting that upload button is just as important as filming the video itself. But here's where most beginners mess up. They spend hours scripting, editing, tweaking every second. Then they upload, maybe share it once on social media, and cross their fingers. The harsh truth? That's exactly why thousands of promising videos sync without a trace every single day. What if you could flip that? What if you knew exactly what to do after uploading to give every video a real chance to blow up? Today, I'm giving you the same 10 hidden hacks big creators use to turn new uploads into magnets for clicks, watch time, and subscribers. From tiny file name tweaks to AI tools you've probably never heard of, you'll get a step-by-step blueprint that works. Even if you have 0 subscribers right now, miss just one step and you could be losing thousands of views every week. This is only our second video, and at the time we recorded it, we'd reached 130 views and 17 subscribers. We're putting every strategy from this video into action ourselves, and in our third video, we'll break down exactly what's working and what's not. We hope you're enjoying this journey as much as we are. If you picked up something valuable from our first video, drop a comment and share it with us. We'd love to hear what you're applying to. Why post-upload steps matter? So why do these post-upload steps even matter? Here's the thing. The moment you hit publish, your video enters a silent competition. Every single minute, over 500 hours of video are dumped onto YouTube. That means your video has to fight for attention from the moment it goes live. If you skip the right steps, your video gets buried. No clicks, no views, no chance to win. Now imagine this. 2 creators upload the same video quality on the same day. One does nothing after uploading, the other follows this strategy. Guess who shows up on people's home screens tomorrow? The secret is that YouTube's algorithm watches what happens in those first hours. Did people click? Did they watch to the end? Did they go watch another video on your channel? If viewers bounce too soon, your video dies quietly. But if you guide them to your next videos, get them to binge, and prove to YouTube that you keep people on the platform, you win. That's why your work doesn't end at publish. In fact, that's when the real game begins. So if you're tired of uploading and hoping, ask yourself, what if you knew exactly how to push the algorithm to work for you? You don't need luck. You just need these hidden hacks. Before we dive into the hacks, let's clear the traps that keep small channels stuck. Guessing what to post next. Too many new creators pick random ideas without checking if people actually want them. Only studying your own content. If you're not analyzing what's working for others in your space, you're flying blind. Studying only your niche. Sometimes your next viral idea is hidden outside your bubble. Big creators borrow winning formats all the time. Focusing only on big creators. Small and medium channels can teach you even more because they're closer to where you are right now. And the final trap. Believing going viral is all luck. It's not. It's a formula, and it starts with the steps you're about to learn. If you fix these mistakes and follow the next hacks, your videos won't get buried again. File name, video title, and keywords is where most beginners miss out, but big channels do this every single time. Before you even hit publish, you need to nail your file name, your video title, and your keywords. Before exporting from Premiere Pro, CapCut, or whatever editor you use, rename the file with your final video title. Don't leave it as Untitled Video 1 or FinalEdit.mp4. For example, if your video is called 11 Hidden Hacks after uploading, save your file as 11-hidden-hacks-after-uploading.mp4. This tiny detail gives YouTube an extra clue about what your video covers. The transcript. Upload your finished video to Descript. It's a free AI tool that transcribes your video fast. Why? Because having a clean transcript helps you craft SEO-friendly titles and descriptions later. Now, this is what makes people click or scroll past. A good title needs 2 things: a keyword people actually search for, and a curiosity hook that makes them stop and think, I need to watch this. Let's say you're making a video on how to get more views after uploading. Find a video with thousands or millions of views on that topic. Paste it into meta tags. You'll see exactly what words they used to rank. Once you have your keywords and your transcript, head to ChatGPT. Use this exact prompt. Based on this transcript, write me 5 clickable YouTube video titles with high SEO potential. Focus on your main keyword. Pick the best title, Make sure it matches your file name, and you're good to go. You've just given YouTube strong signals for what your video is about before you even hit publish. Triple thumbnails and smart testing. Hack 2 is all about thumbnails, and this is where most small YouTubers lose clicks fast. One weak thumbnail and your video dies in the feed, no matter how good it is. Here's what top creators do differently. They never make just one thumbnail. They make 3. Why? Because what you think looks good might not be what people actually click on. First, design 3 strong variations. Keep your title in mind. Each version should highlight a different angle. Maybe a bold text hook, an emotional face, or a dramatic zoom in on the subject. For example, if your video is 21 hidden hacks after uploading, version 1 could show bold text like, "Stop wasting uploads." Version 2 might show a reaction face plus the word secret, and version 3 could have a clear before and after style image. Next, test them. Upload your video with one thumbnail first. Look at the click-through rate inside YouTube Studio. Which one gets more clicks? Keep the best performing one. Or do it smarter. Use a free tool like 1 of 10 or Thumblytics. These AI tools compare your thumbnails to top performing viral ones and score them for colors, faces, text size, and more. Here's a quick tutorial. Head to 1 of 10, upload your 3 thumbnail drafts, and see which version the AI predicts will win. This saves you time and gives you a big edge over guessing. Another pro tip, when you change thumbnails, always tweak the title too. A small twist can reset the algorithm's push. So swap the thumbnail, adjust the title slightly, and watch your CTR climb. Remember, your video could be amazing, but no one clicks if the thumbnail doesn't stop the scroll. 3 versions tested smartly means you pick the winner, not your gut. Up next, I'll show you a tiny playlist trick that keeps viewers on your channel instead of losing them to the next video. AI-powered description and hashtags. Hack 3 is all about your video description, and this is where beginners mess up. A weak description leaves your video floating in search with no chance to rank. A smart one gives YouTube crystal clear clues about who should see it. Here's exactly what to do. First, get the video transcript you generated using Descript. Next, open ChatGPT. Drop in that transcript and use this exact prompt. You are a YouTube SEO expert. Use the transcript below to write a clear, engaging, and SEO-optimized YouTube video description. Start with a strong hook in the first sentence to grab attention. Highlight the main value of the video in 2 to 3 short paragraphs. Add a list of 5 to 10 SEO keywords naturally within the description. End with a clear call to action inviting viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep it under 300 words. Here's the transcript. End with a clear call to action inviting viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Take that final description and paste it right into your video description box in YouTube Studio. Now make it work harder. Sprinkle in keywords people actually search for. If your topic is YouTube growth for beginners, use phrases like grow a YouTube channel from scratch or get more views with 0 subscribers. But don't stop there. Add hashtags about 3 to 5 that actually rank. To find good ones, use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. These tools show you exactly what hashtags are trending and how much search volume each one gets. For example, you might find that number small YouTuber tips or number viral video secrets has high search. Add them at the bottom of your description, simple, clean, targeted. Your AI-powered SEO description plus real keywords and hashtags makes sure YouTube knows exactly who to show your video to. One well-optimized description can keep your video ranking for months or even years. Smart tags and SEO boost with vidIQ. One of the easiest ways to help YouTube connect your video with the right audience. Tags still matter for SEO. They tell YouTube exactly what topics your video touches on, and they help your video show up next to similar ones. Here's how to do it the right way. Use vidIQ, one of the best free tools for YouTube keyword research. First, find a competitor's video that's doing well. Ideally, a video with high views on a topic similar to yours. Click the vidIQ extension icon. It automatically shows you all the tags that video uses, plus the search volume for each one. Next, copy the best tags that match your content and focus on tags that are highly relevant and actually show up in your video. Now add those tags to your own video in YouTube Studio. This connects your upload to proven keywords that people are already searching for. Don't overdo it. Keep your tags tight and clear, Around 5 to 10 good ones are better than stuffing in random words. The right tags help the algorithm figure out what your video is really about and help the right people find you faster. So YouTube sees your channel as binge-worthy and promotes it more. First, create a dedicated playlist for every topic you cover. For example, if your channel is about growing on YouTube, create a playlist called YouTube Growth Hacks for Beginners. Next, link every new video back to this playlist. This is called a deep link. It pushes viewers from one video to the next automatically. Here's how to do it. After you upload, copy your playlist link. In YouTube Studio, click View Full Playlist, then copy the URL at the top. Paste that playlist link at the top of your video description and add a line like, "Watch the full series here, playlist link." Next, add your new video to multiple relevant playlists. For example, if your video is about SEO titles, put it in your YouTube growth playlist, your SEO for beginners playlist, and a content strategy playlist if you have one. This way, your video pops up in more places, so your viewers never run out of your content to watch. Now guide them where to go next. Inside your video, add a call to action like, "Watch my full YouTube growth playlist next, link below." Finally, always use end screens. These pop up in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video and tell people what to watch next. Pick best for viewer, so YouTube's AI decides which video is most likely to keep them hooked. One simple playlist link, smart deep linking, and end screens can double how long people stick with you, which means more watch time and more YouTube love for your channel. Pinned comment is one of the simplest ways to keep people moving through your channel. When your video ends, your comment section is still working for you. Here's how to do it right. For example, watch my next video on 5 more YouTube hacks here. Link. Then pin that comment to the top. When people scroll down, that's the first thing they see and many viewers click it without even thinking. Don't forget about subtitles. These boost reach, retention, and even rankings. Go to Subtitles in YouTube Studio, click Add, then Auto Captions. Review them carefully. Fix any spelling or missing words. Next, add more languages. Click Add Language. Pick the countries you want to target, and hit Auto Translate. In seconds, your video can reach viewers in multiple countries. Subtitles make your video more accessible, and a wider audience means more potential views. Now let's talk about a hidden trick for publishing smarter. Smart Publish, Watch Boost, and Shorts linking. When your video is ready, don't hit public immediately. Instead, publish it as private or unlisted for 20 to 24 hours. Why? Because this window gives the algorithm time to collect early data, like what your video is about and who might want to see it. After that short warm-up period, switch it to public. This trick can help YouTube test your video with the right audience on day one. Here's an extra push. Watch your own video from a second account. Yes, many YouTubers do this. Set up a second channel or use a family account. Play your video from start to finish, give it a like, drop a genuine comment, and subscribe. This small signal can add a bit of initial watch time. Supercharge your reach with shorts. When you upload a long-form video, pick 15 to 60-second segments that highlight your best moments. Then link these shorts back to your main video. YouTube's Shows feature lets you bundle your shorts and long videos. So when people find your short, they can jump to your full video instantly. Want to make this easy? Use nexusclips.com, an AI tool that scans your video, finds the best hooks, and edits them into vertical shorts for you. Same content, new audience. This is how smart creators generate extra views from the same video without extra effort. Next up, your final secret hack that big creators don't talk about. After you post, study your audience retention chart. Find the dip, the part people skip. Go back and trim it out. Yes, you can edit live videos. Every second people skip kills your average watch time. When you tighten your video, your retention improves and the algorithm sees that people are sticking around longer. Big channels do this all the time. Tiny tweaks to keep every second strong. Put it all together. The right file name, SEO title, triple thumbnails, smart tags, killer descriptions, deep playlists, pinned comments, end screens, shorts, and AI tools. Every step stacks your odds. Most new creators quit when they don't see views. But you're not guessing anymore. Now you have the blueprint. If you want more videos like this, tutorials, AI tools, hidden YouTube growth secrets, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Like this video if it helped you. Drop a comment below telling me which hack you'll use first and what you want to learn next. This is how you grow step by step. See you in the next one.